All right, well, welcome back. Let's look at writing equations for patterns and sequences. Go ahead and pause the video, copy this down, and start it when you're ready again. So we have a pattern here. There are 4 figures and each figure has a number of squares in it. So the easiest thing to do is make a table. We have figure 1 has 3 squares. Figure 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Figure 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 squares, and figure 4 has 9 squares. All right, we found slope before from a table. Let's go ahead and proceed. We're going to label x1, x2, y1, y2. Write our equation. Set it up. And plug in our numbers. y2, y1, x2, x1. Okay, type it all in your calculator. And we get m equals 2. Our slope is 2. Next, let's find our y-intercept. We know our y-intercept is a point that starts with a 0. And the second number is our y-intercept. So if I look through here, none of these numbers start with a 0. So we're going to have to use one of the points. We get to choose which one. I'm just going to choose the first one. So I'm going to use the 1, 3, which will be our x and our y. And we're going to use our slope. Let's plug all of these into the equation. So we're going to plug in a y, we're going to plug in an m, an x, and we're going to solve for b. M is 2, x is 1, y is 3, and let's solve it. 3 equals 2 times 1 is 2 plus b. Now we can figure this out. 2 plus what equals 3? 2 plus 1 equals 3. Or we can solve it. 3 minus 2 is 1. 2 minus 2 is 0. B equals 1. Right. From here, we now have our m and our b. We can go to writing our equation. Our equation is y equals mx plus b. We're going to plug in our slope and our y-intercept. So y equals, our m is 2, 2x plus our b is 1. We can type this in our calculator under y equals. Type all of this in, go to second graph, which brings you to your table, and see if it gives you the right table.